We're up here on cloud nine, and somehow we get it right every time. 'Cause these days we're partners in crime, and I like it like that. We go all in, and I'm falling, but I like it like that. And it's so wrong, but still so strong, but I like it like that.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It is now Wednesday. Both of the girls have therapy this morning. Chickens making chicken noises. Babies are doing good. So we're gonna go in the bin store before these girls' appointment. They got probably like 30 minutes before they gotta go. So, oh, we bumped our head. I'm so sorry. You okay though? Oh, get your kitty.
I hate that thing in my way.
Okay, come here. Can you smile? Hello guys, I was vlogging this whole time on the wrong settings, so sorry. But Journey did graduate from speech therapy today, so we knew, because she was like 2 more times, and then, you know, so anyway, yeah, she did graduate today. We will no longer have to go to speech therapy on Wednesday, so that frees up Wednesday, which is great, because school is going to be starting, and you know, these scissors, I know I didn't end my vlog or vlog anything else last night, but these, they work great. I didn't have any issues with them cutting fabric, I even cut some vinyl with them, just because I needed to cut some vinyl, and it was the thicker vinyl, and it cut like butter, and I was like, okay, because it says light fabrics, paper and ribbon. 1 layer of light fabric, paper, ribbon, thread, or yarn. Medium will cut layers of fabric, layers of paper, vinyl, chenille, felt, applique, woven cloth. So these are like light though. Anyway, just thought I'd put that out there. If anyone is looking for like a cheap pair of embroidery scissors, these work. Work for a day at least. Didn't have any issues. I did get AJ blanks. I also at the bin store, so if you don't know what that is, it used to be called Dream Deals, and it is Amazon returns and stuff like that. Returns, why did I say that weird? Returns and stuff like that, and they have on different days, things cost different amounts, if that makes sense. So today was $2 day, so everything in the bins was $2. So I bought a planner, but I didn't even look at the date, and the date is for like ending this year. It was like 2022 to 23. For whatever reason, I thought it said 23 to 24. I paid $2 for it. I'm like, anyway, so I got that. I actually found 2 shirts and a pair of pants. I don't know if the pants will fit me. We'll find out. And then Sterling found a shirt, and Journey bought the little, it reminds me of like the calico critters, if you know what they are. But it's a little cat family, but one of the cats is missing an eye, but you know, what do you expect? $2. And then as we were leaving, they have this wall and these boxes full of books, and most of them are children's books, and it said all books $1. And I just saw it, and we had to go because we were almost late for the girls' appointment. Not almost late, but you know, we had to leave in time to go to the girls' appointment. So I just looked, I grabbed, like, I saw some Fly Guy books, think I grabbed 3 of those. Like, they're different ones. If you know what Fly Guy is, then you know what I'm talking about. It's a children's book, and it's a guy, Buzz, a kid, Buzz, and he has a pet fly, and they do, you know, anyway. They go on different adventures and whatnot. So there was like 3 of those, so there was probably more. Like I said, there was like 3 of them, and they were huge boxes, just full of books. I would have loved just to go through each box and pick out books, because, you know, Journey is obsessed with books. We have a large library of books down here, and usually at school we finish the day by reading a book. So after we're done, you know, with everything we need to do for the day, we read a book and then we're done. So, and she enjoys, sometimes I read a couple books, honestly, but she enjoys, like, she just enjoys books. So there was like a couple Fly Guy books, and there was a couple Amelia Bedelia books, which my boys liked Amelia Bedelia. So I ended up getting, I think it was like a haunting Halloween one, and Amelia Bedelia Bakes a Pie, maybe? I don't know. They're upstairs. So, oh, and then Journey picked out a Ninja Turtle. She's like, I want the Ninja Turtle. I love Ninja Turtles so much. I just love them. I'm like, okay, girl. And then when we went to therapy, there was a lady in there, and she had a Ninja Turtle shirt on. She's like, Mom, she's got on my favorite Ninja Turtle. I'm like, I don't know where this came from, but okay. So anyway, and then I did get this as well. I did find some other poppets. So they are mini poppet toys, keychains. There was in a bin a bunch of these, but they were like they were ice cream cones and cupcakes and such, and they were, you know, out of the plastic in the bin, just thrown about. And I was like, there has to be another box of these somewhere, and if I would have found it, I would have bought it. Like I said, I paid $2 for this. There is, what, 30? Is that what it says? Why did I think there's 30? I don't know how many there is, but there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. There is 32 of them. And I told my husband for $2 to buy these. And I'm just going to include one in each order. I'm like, it's, you know, just a little something, something. I did this before, with some other things that I picked up. It was like a party favor. We got some party favors. Some I saved for like Journey's birthday, and then some I just sent off with, you know, if somebody ordered a shirt, then I just included it. But somewhere I have some little cellophane bags somewhere. I think they're upstairs in a drawer, but I thought putting this in with a little thank you. I have a little thank you and instruction, like care instruction card. Like, put this in the little baggie with the care instruction card, and, you know, just to add a little something. But I can only do it for 32 orders. So, I mean, for $2, why not? So I will go try to find what I did with those little bags. They I'll have to tape them because they're not sealable. The little cellophane bags that I have are not sealable. And honestly, I think I bought those at like a Dream Deals, or got them at a Dream Deals somewhere. So I've had them a while. But anyway, those are just my little finds I thought I'd share with you. Like I said, I'll drop them on the floor I got my AJ Blanks order in. I didn't order like a ton. I think my total was like $70. I want to try to next time I order, get like at least $200 worth so I can qualify for free shipping, and then also stock up on some because it seems like I stock up on them and then somebody orders something that I don't have. Like somebody wanted a 10 long sleeve black shirt and I'm like, I don't have that, I have to order. Oh, I also bought Journey a 5T black shirt to make a design on. And that's another thing. It's like I'm always working on other people's stuff. That I made a couple samples up here for Journey, and I was like at her therapy, not this time, but the time before, and there was these little kids in there and they had these cute embroidered shirts on, and they had, I think it was like, they were like beachy kind of theme. They were like, might have been like a sea turtle, maybe one had like a sailboat or something on it. Anyway, you know, when you do this kind of thing and you see somebody wearing something that you know somebody somewhere embroidered, and you kind of like check it out. And so, you know, I checked it out and I was like, that's so cute. And I'm like, why don't I ever, like, I know for one, Journey won't wear a lot of it, but the other day she did wear a shirt that said J is for Journey that I made her like 2 years ago. On a 4T shirt, like she can still fit it. She never wore it to begin with because of she doesn't like the way it feels, but she wore it. She didn't complain one bit about it. She wore it and she wore it all day because when she put it on at first she didn't like it, and I said, if you just wear it to your appointment, when you get home, I was like, you can put on whatever you want. I was like, mommy won't care what you put on. Whatever you decide, you can put on. So she's like, okay. But she wore the shirt all day and she was fine with it. So I'm like, you know, if I make her some stuff, maybe she'll wear it. So that was my plan. I got black because I figured I can make her something for Halloween. But yeah, I want to try to do, I also thought about making her one that is just, I think if it doesn't have a lot of applique, you know, thickness to it, if it was just like the bean stitch or whatever, like I got some that have crayons, like if I did her one of those with like, I think it has like 4 crayons and maybe a bow on it, or maybe it's just 4 crayons, and then put her name underneath in a bean stitch, like she might wear that. But I do also want to make her one for like the first day of kindergarten, because we're going to be starting kindergarten day after Labor Day, and so yeah, I do want to make her that. Anyway, I'm going to get busy. It is like 2:27. I was hoping to get down here like an hour ago, but I wanted to finish editing the vlog for y'all. I got that ready to go live at 3:30, and then I had to answer a few emails, and I had a couple sponsorship offers, and I wanted to you know, answer those. One of them I won't share it with you. I'll just if they go through with it, I'll surprise y'all. Anyway, let's get to work.
Batch of chickens was probably some of the sweetest chickens.
Journey handles.
I said they were the sweetest.
How you calling that?
That's not one. I see the 2 down there.
I had to film you, Ron. Just chilling, huh?
Give up. Raise your hand. Free over, but I'm afraid if that limb broke, it might cause the rest of them to fall off, man. Stop before me. Ooh, yeah. Look at them skid marks. Strings won't. But that is a Brad repair. It shouldn't break, but those things, it's like
Y'all ain't gotta go home, but you can't stay here.
Before he to my